Everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick way to help your students log into the iPad. So we know that, students have their username at tscstudents.net, and for some of our younger learners, especially kindergarten, that may be a lot to type in. So you can definitely do this year. I would say for next year, at the beginning of the year, this is a great way to kind of help students, assist them a little bit in actually typing in their full username with the email address at the end of it. So I'm going to start out with my iPad, and I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to start in general. So I'm just here in my general settings, about, software update, that whole area there. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I see keyboard. So I'm looking at date, time, keyboard, and that's where I'll start. So I get keyboard, and then I'm looking for this thing called text replacement. So the idea of text replacement is, on the left-hand side, I have these short phrases that I can type in, and on the right-hand side, that's what it's actually going to fill in for me. So in the top right-hand corner, you see a little plus button. So I'm going to click the plus button, and my phrase in this case is my email address. So I type this in a lot, so I will type in my email address here. And then I think I need to think of some shortcut. So for your students, it might just be their username. For me, since I don't want to type my entire username, maybe I'll do just SNMA. Anytime I type SNMA, it's going to automatically put my full email address. And then I click save, and that's it. And depending on how many students you have actually sharing that iPad, you may have to do that, 2 or 3 times, but you shouldn't have a whole lot of different students actually on that iPad. So now let me go to a place that would actually require me to sign in. So I'm going to launch BrainPop here, and it's going to bring up this Google login page. I'm going to type SNMA, and look at there, it has my email address. And if I just click the space bar, there we go. I'm logged in there. I do the same thing here, and it auto fills it for me, and it makes my life and my students' lives much easier.